and welcome to the Mindful Willow Creative Art and Mindful Living channel. Today I will be demonstrating a breathing practice to connect to your heart center and feel the love from within. Even when we may feel that we are alone or isolated, love is all around us and within us. So let's get started by grounding ourselves. Get comfortable seated in a chair or on the floor. We are going to do a few practice breaths. For the inhale, I will count to 4, then pause, and the exhale, I will count to 4. So let's begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's connect with our heart center. Place your hand on your heart and gently close your eyes. Connect to a moment when you felt completely safe and loved. Visualize the one moment. Feel the love and safety within you now. This love can be from a friend, partner, child, pet, or loved one who has passed on. As you recall this moment, feel the warm feelings filling your heart. Now we will continue the breathing practice connected to our heart center. We will inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. So let's begin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Connecting to your heart center is available to you at any time. Simply place your hand on your heart and repeat what we have just practiced. As you breathe deeply into your heart center, you are calming your nervous system. When you reflect on a moment of feeling safe, comforted, and loved, you decrease your stress hormones and you feel calmer and more at ease. I hope you all have enjoyed connecting to your heart center for this breathing practice. And always remember, love is within you. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and join the Mindful Willow group page on Facebook. I will include a link below. The mindful light in me honors the mindful light in all of you. Namaste.